Pink typewriter style backlit keyboard. Show your personality with this aesthetically pleasing compact keyboard. Candy color, fun typewriter style keyboard with a combination of pastel colors, pinks, purple, and white. Adjustable white backlighting that lights up your workspace. Retro round mechanical keys. Have more fun typing with the Kailh Brown mechanical tactile switches. The combination of the round-shaped keys and mechanical click on this keyboard give an enjoyable bouncy typing feeling. Multiple devices and rechargeable. 2 ways to connect with easy cordless connection with the advanced Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity or wired connection with a USB-C to USB a detachable cable. Use it via wired connection, and it charges the keyboard at the same time. Sturdy, space-saving design, designed with durable material, solid feeling, smooth surface, and matte finish. A compact design without number pad area, the perfect solution for tight spaces. Multi-device, multi-OS, and up to 4 devices. You can switch easily between 4 devices with one click or connect with wired connection when you are running out of power. Compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, iPadOS, and iOS. Top reviews from other countries. Love this keyboard. If you've seen any cute TikTok videos with the latest cute keyboards with kawaii vibes, you understand. This keyboard gives you the cute kawaii look plus the click noise when you use it. It's like ASMR as you're typing. It is responsive and super cute. Love it.